Today I would like to introduce one design of our industrial plug or connector. You can see this one is 63 ampere. This is our Anam brand. Just have a look at our brand. And this is the socket part. And you can take it out, and with the 5 cones cables. Contact material, copper alloy, nickel plating. This part I'm gonna show you. The core applications about this industrial connector. They are data center, heavy machinery, industrial generators, and construction industry. This kind of industrial connector, we have a 63 ampere and 125 ampere. If you have any ideas want to share with us, please contact my channel. This is Anam brand.